Okay, I'm Shabazz. I'm the owner of Tobazz Towing. I got 2 rigs. This is a 4-seater, so I could do a large company. You know, if somebody breaks down, they got more than one person or family, I could do that. This is international, so it's an automatic. It's a no smoking truck. I keep it super clean because customer service is very important. People like to ride and clean stuff. Just a little tour of this part. You got your batteries, you got your air tanks, you got your air horn, you got your air hose right there. You also have a toolbox here where you can, you know, if you have to service anything, these are wheel chocks right here. This is the lever that releases and locks the winch. Of course, this is the bed. And of course, your advertisement, our prices can't be beat. This is a 26-foot bed, so it can hold ambulances, box trucks. This is the rear. This is what's called the wheel lift back here, so you can add different things to the back here on both sides. I'm sorry I missed it on the other side. You got your levers that makes the bed go back and forth, up and down. Right here you have your hydraulic tank, and also on this side you have your toolbox where you got your excessive chains. You got different hooks for different kind of vehicles. Also up here you got boards for when you do very low profile equipment. You have to extend the bed out a little bit so the bottom doesn't scrape. That's a gas tank right there. That's a 50-gallon gas tank, roughly. Of course, you got your amber lights up here on the top up there. So when you're picking up vehicles, you got to have your amber lights on. And also, in order to pick them up, you have to have your amber light sticker, so because you got to be registered in order to have the lights come on. I got LED lights in the front so you can see at night. It's enough air for everybody. You don't have to worry about what somebody else is doing, how much money they're making. It's enough air for everybody. Just like I'm breathing, the people around me are breathing. Everybody can make money in this industry.